At Quality Storage Buildings, we take pride in delivering more than just a building. We deliver convenience, quality, and peace of mind. Here's what you can expect when your new storage building arrives. Our delivery process starts with our dispatcher reaching out to schedule a delivery time that works for you. On delivery day, our driver will arrive with your building. We ask that you ensure a clear path at least 2 feet wider than the building itself. For example, a 10-foot wide building requires a 12-foot wide clearance. Make sure there's enough space between gates, trees, or bushes. If trimming is needed, please have that done before delivery. For certain styles like run-in sheds or chicken coops, we may need up to 4 feet of extra clearance. Before unloading, our driver will walk your yard with you to find out where the shed will be placed. If you're aware of any factors such as sprinklers or soft ground, please let the driver know in advance. If needed, we'll use our specialized mule machine to unload and maneuver your building into place safely. Once on site, the driver will position the building exactly how you'd like it. We provide blocking to ensure a solid, level setup. For sheds, we start with 4-inch concrete blocks and adjust from there. If your ground is significantly uneven, please let us know ahead of time. We block every 8 feet on center underneath each skid to guarantee stability. Once set, we'll make sure everything is leveled and working properly. If you have any questions or special requests, our team is here to assist you every step of the way.